Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Advit. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is about EVS UKG worksheet. I have created in a very fun manner. So let's get started. In this sheet, write the parts of the plant with the help of given words. Okay? I have drawn a nice plant. You have to tell me what is this?
It's a flower.
Yes. Which part is this?
This is a stem.
And this?
Actually, that is a leaf.
And this?
Those are stems.
Write it down.
Roots.
First start from here.
This part is a flower.
Yes, write it down fast.
F L O W E R.
Yes, write it down.
This is a leaf. L E A and F.
Very good. And this?
Is a stem.
Right. S.
S T E M.
Very good. And this?
Is the roots.
Right. R.
R double O T S.
Very good. This sheet is about animals. Okay. Here I have written some animals and how they help us. How do animals help us? Cow gives us
milk.
Okay, come on, tick. Bee.
Honey.
Okay, tell me, dog gives us milk or it guards our house?
It guards our house.
Take it. Sheep gives us wool or honey?
Wool.
Chicken gives us egg or wool?
Egg.
Very good. Here, choose the correct young ones. Okay? So tell me the baby cat known as? Tick. Baby cat known as?
Kitten.
Where is kitten? Tick it. Baby horse is known as?
A foal.
Baby cow is known as?
Calf.
Where is calf?
Right here.
Very good. Baby lion is known as?
Cub.
Very good. This sheet is so colorful?
Yeah.
Yes. Write L for living things and L for non-living things. Here I have drawn some picture mixed with living thing and non-living thing. Living thing means which can grow, move and breathe. So
And eat.
yes. So tell me, is tree is living thing or
Yeah.
non-living thing? Yeah. Why?
It grow.
It grows. Yes. So what you have to write?
L.
Very good. Is umbrella is living thing?
No.
It's non-living thing.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it cannot do anything by itself.
Yes. Right.
We use it.
Yes.
N L.
Is car is a living thing?
No.
No?
Yeah, because it can't move by itself.
Yes. So write NL. Is bee is a living thing?
Yeah, because it can move and
Move.
fly.
Yes. And it gives us?
Honey.
So write.
L.
Very good. Is house is a living thing?
No.
Why?
Because it cannot move by itself.
Yes.
It stays there for a whole.
Yes. So what you have to write?
NL.
NL. Is fish is a living thing?
Yeah, because it can move.
Yeah, it swims in under the
C.
Yes.
L.
Very good. In this sheet, what you have to do? Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Okay? I have drawn some sense organ picture. So you have to tell me what they are doing and you have to write. Come on. What is this?
Eyes.
Eyes help us to
Look.
Write it down. Spell and write.
E.
Yes.
Y.
Yes.
E. S.
Very good. Our.
Ears.
Help us to
hear.
Very good. Write it down.
E.
Yes.
A. R.
Yes.
S.
Very good. Our.
Nose.
Help us to
Smell.
Write it down.
N. O. S. E.
Very good. Our
Tongue.
tongue help us to
Taste.
Very good. Write it down.
T. O. U.
No. Tongue.
N.
Yes.
G.
Yes.
U.
You.
E.
Very good. Our
Hand.
help us to feel, touch. Okay. Write it down. H. A. Then
N.
N.
D.
So how many sense organs we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. So here I have written some mixed questions of true and false. Which one is correct? You have to tick. Okay? Tick the correct one. First, cat or lion is a domestic animal. Which one is a domestic animal?
Cat.
Cat. Come on, tick. Because lion is a
Wild animal. I'll just cross it.
Don't cross it. You have to only tick the correct one. Okay? There are 6 or 5 sense organs.
5.
Come on, tick. Very good. Wild animals live in the jungle or house. Is lion lives with us?
No,
No.
because I'm scared of it.
Yeah. So wild animals live in the
Jungle.
Very good. Tick it. Okay, tell me. We feel hot in summer or in winter?
Summer.
Very good. Tick. We feel What we feel in winter?
Cold.
Very good.
Because it's snowy.
One who drives a vehicle is called a driver or postman.
Driver.
Come on, tick. And what postman do?
They just deliver mail to us.
Yes. Plants gives us oxygen or carbon dioxide?
They give us oxygen. They give
breathe
us
carbon dioxide. Okay. So tick. The last one. The sun or moon rises in east.
the sun.
Very good. Tick. Very good. You enjoyed doing all these worksheets?
Yeah, I liked it. Thank you, Mama.
Very good. I hope you like this worksheet. These worksheets are really good to learn about living things and non-living things, parts of the plant, about sense organs, and about animals. If you want to do these worksheets with your kids at home, I will provide link in description below. For more such learning videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Advit. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.